This is the iPhone XS and this the XR, and both of them are part of Apple's 2018-2019 iPhone line. So which one should you buy? The price of both iPhones is very different, with the high-end XS base model costing £999 straight from Apple, whereas the slightly more budget-friendly XR costs £749. In this video I'll compare the base model of each iPhone. They both have the same true-depth Face ID camera system, which is brilliant. It's effortless to unlock both these phones. A simple swipe and you're in. Share the same A12 Bionic chip, Apple's latest processor. Both iPhones are just as fast and easy to use. The same wireless charging is available on both the iPhone XS and XR. All the normal iPhone features like Apple Pay and Raise to Wake are present in both models. The iPhone XR comes in loads of colours, whereas the XS only comes in black, grey and gold. In my opinion, the colour differences don't matter, as most people will cover it with a case. Due to the XR's larger form factor, Apple were also able to fit in a larger battery, so the XR has way better battery life than the XS. So what's different? Apart from £250, nothing deal breaking for most iPhone users. The screen size and resolution are the two main ones. The iPhone XR's liquid retina LCD is nothing impressive, and when beside each other the differences are obvious. The iPhone XR has a bigger screen but a larger bezel, so if screen size matters, the iPhone XR is the one to go for. Another difference is the camera. The iPhone XR is missing a second lens, meaning portraits aren't as crisp and the zoom is nowhere near that of the XS. Let's have a look at two photos side by side. But videos and stills are technically the same, but the iPhone XR's screen can't display these in full resolution. As you can see, the iPhone XS is the clear winner. Please note, if you're not viewing on a desktop or laptop, the differences might be hard to see. What one to buy? The XR seems to be a pretty good deal, but if photography and watching things on the screen are your thing, the iPhone XS is a solid choice. Thanks for watching, and links to buy for both these phones are in the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.